Timbertales Luxury Resort features 70 rooms across 4 different categories. In this video, I'll be giving you a tour of 3 of them. The first category, Wind Chimes Duplex Villa, has been covered in a separate detailed video, which also includes a complete resort review. Please find the link in the video description. The second category is the Riverstone Family Villa. This villa is ideal for larger families who want to stay together under one roof. A unique feature of this category is the option to interconnect 2 villas through an internal staircase, which becomes accessible when you book 2 units of the same category. This effectively converts the space into a duplex style villa. The lower level villa can be accessed either from inside or via an external staircase located just outside. Each of these villas comes with a spacious living room, a large private balcony, and a luxurious bedroom, offering both comfort and privacy for families. The third room category is the Mistwood Pool Villa. Structurally, it's almost identical to the Riverstone Family Villa, but comes with the added luxury of a private pool. Please note that the pool is not heated. Apart from this addition, the rest of the amenities are consistent with the previous room categories. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and want to see more similar content. The final and most premium category is the Forestlight Villa. These villas feature an outdoor heated pool, a jacuzzi, an open air shower, and a beautifully designed outdoor living area. There is also a full-sized hammock for relaxing, and guests have the option to enjoy spa treatments right inside the villa. Spanning 3,200 square feet, this is currently the highest room category available at the resort. However, I was informed that a presidential villa is currently under construction and will surpass this in terms of luxury and pricing.